Hello, my name is Amanda Owen, and we were asked to pick our banner song, which was very difficult for me because there are tons of songs that I like, and my song kind of depends on what's going on with me that day. So my banner song could be completely different tomorrow. But today, the song that stuck out to me the most was one that I heard on my way into work, which is Voices by Jana Kramer. And the reason this song sticks out to me is the line in it where it says, I'm done with voices in my head. Voices in my head, I know that I am enough. A lot of times in life, we feel like we are not enough, like we're not doing enough. We aren't doing what we are capable of doing. We're not enough to the people around us. But that couldn't be farther from the truth. We are enough. You are enough. I am enough. Just be who you are. Thanks, and I hope y'all have a great day.